You know, I think I was in Switzerland at the airport, and there was a little boy, and he was just staring at my legs. And he was sitting on a suitcase, and he literally kept looking at me and looking at his legs, looking at my legs, looking at his legs, and then like going like this and like rubbing his legs, and then looking at my legs and rubbing. And then he turned to his mom. He's like, "Mommy, mommy, can I have golden legs?" I'm from Los Angeles. Both my parents were models. I grew up in the modeling world. And in 2012, I got toxic shock syndrome from a tampon and almost lost my life. And I actually had to amputate both of my legs. Ten years ago, would you have ever imagined someone like myself being accepted in the modeling world? Hell fuck shit no. No way. Because you can do so much to this. You can change all of this, no problem. But you can't, like, not change this. You know, you have to, like, see the worth in yourself and that you are beautiful, and the things that you may not like about yourself are probably the strongest attributes you have. And are probably the things that make you most unique.